So here I'm in Cork and I stay at Kinlay house over here. And let me tell you about this hostel. So it's actually very close to the city center. The bus from the bus station only takes about 5 minutes to get here, or you can just walk. Things I really like is right near the city center. You can just go down. It takes about like 5 to 10 minutes. You get to the city center where a lot of the stuff are located. Other things I like about the hostel, it has pretty good amenities. The internet room and the TV room, they got lots of nice books. It's very clean throughout the hostel. And one other things I like about it is the breakfast. You do only get toast and butter and coffee, but something is better than nothing. And the drinking water is drinkable right from the tap. Let's talk about the rooms. I really like the fact how clean it is and also how much care to put into it. So towels is included for private rooms. The linens always is really fresh, and also the lighting is really great. All the places I've seen. If you need more privacy, they have different type of private accommodation, doubles and singles. But I'm very lucky. I got what's called my own ensuite. And if you wonder how mine look like, here it goes. Overall, I really enjoyed the stay. I hope you all come and check it out and write your own reviews. And with that being said, say bye to this lovely hostel. Alright, see you soon. Bye.